Did you know that in the 8th century, King Charles the Great actually passed laws making it mandatory for his subjects to eat flax seeds? This is because flax seeds are believed to have highly advanced medicinal properties. Centuries later, we now have scientific research to back up this claim. Here are some of the incredible benefits you can get by consuming flaxseed. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe for future contents. Now let's start the video. Number 1, a rich source of nutrients. Flax seeds, also known as linseeds, are one of the oldest crops in the world. You'll find two basic types of flax seeds, brown and golden, and both are packed with nutrients alike. These nutrients include omega-3 fatty acids, which are good fats that help our body against cardiovascular diseases. There are approximately 1.8 grams of the omega-3s present in a singular tablespoon of ground flaxseed. Similarly, this plant-based food also contains lignans which act as antioxidants. It is reported that flaxseed has 75 to 800 times more lignans than other similar types of food. There are also 3 grams of dietary fiber within 1 tablespoon of these seeds, which is around 8 to 12% of the daily intake recommended by experts. So just by adding 1 spoonful of these seeds to your salad or yogurt, you can benefit from a whole lot of essential nutrients. Number 2, fight against cancer. Cancer is one of the deadliest diseases that invade our critical organs such as the heart, liver, kidneys, or lungs. In 2018, an estimated 9.5 million people died from cancer worldwide. However, tweaking your diet by adding more healthier food can help boost your immune system to battle this life-threatening disease. Flaxseed is one of such additions you need to make to your healthier diet. A Canadian study supports this claim with their observation of more than 6,000 women, out of which they gathered that those who ate flaxseed were 18% less likely to suffer from breast cancer. In a similar study, men who regularly consumed 30 grams of flaxseed were evidenced to have a less likely chance of having prostate cancer. Number 3, help prevent cardiovascular disease. The omega-3 fatty acids present in flaxseed can assist your cardiovascular system by cleaning the accumulated plaque in your arteries. Medical experts claim that the lignans in flaxseed have also been shown to reduce this plaque buildup by a whopping 75%. If there are no blockages in your arteries, the blood will flow naturally, and there will be no risk of getting coronary artery disease. Number 4, keep diabetes under check. We also have good news for diabetic patients. The nutrients such as lignans present in flaxseed can help tackle diabetes as well. These insoluble fibers decelerate the release of sugar in our blood, hence reducing our sugar levels. Research has shown that patients with type 2 diabetes benefited from a fall of 8 to 20% in their blood sugar levels after regularly consuming 10 to 20 grams of flaxseed. Another study done in 2016 on rodents discovered that flaxseed also helped lower the risk of getting type 1 diabetes. Number 5, beneficial for your digestive system. The dietary fibers in flaxseed can also improve your digestion. The soluble fiber softens stool so that it passes through your gastrointestinal tract more quickly, whereas the insoluble fiber stimulates regular bowel movements. So the next time you're suffering from constipation, just reach for a handful of flaxseed to cure yourself of the discomfort. Ready to start enjoying all these health benefits of these wondrous little seeds? You can easily add flaxseed to your diet, whether it's mixing it into your sauces, soups, or salads, or sprinkling it over your daily oatmeal breakfast. So, what are you waiting for? Add some flaxseed to your plate and feel yourself become a healthier, stronger version of yourself. Now that you got to this point, like and subscribe Alpha Health channel for more videos.